Before buying a budget TV LED backlight, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1: KSIPZE LED lights. Let's kick things off with the KSIPZE LED lights, priced at just $9.97. What caught my attention was the vibrant colors and the easy installation. If you want a simple way to transform your TV watching into an immersive experience, this is worth a serious look. This product shines in its plug-and-play convenience. You can set it up in seconds by connecting it to your TV's USB port. It offers over 16 colors and several modes, including strobe and fade effects, all controlled via a smartphone app or remote. This means you can customize the ambience based on what you're watching or listening to, which is a huge deal for movie nights or gaming sessions. Now here's where it gets real. Some users mentioned the adhesive isn't strong enough for all surfaces, which honestly frustrated me. However, if you have a TV with a flat back, it sticks pretty well, and you can always use some extra tape for added security. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on features. Skip this one if you need something ultra-durable for rough surfaces. For under $10, it really delivers great value. Now, if the adhesive issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with its stronger adhesive and features. Product number 2: KANTUTOE LED lights. Next up, we have the KANTUTOE LED lights at only $9.99. I was drawn in by its music sync feature and the sheer variety of colors it offers. If you want to add a fun vibe to your TV setup, this is worth a serious look. This one stands out with its ability to sync with music, creating a lively atmosphere for parties or relaxed evenings. With 16 million color options, you can set the mood for any occasion. The Bluetooth app control allows you to change colors and modes easily, which means you can quickly adjust the lighting to match your mood or the scene on screen. Plus, the strong adhesive makes installation a breeze, ensuring your lights stay put. However, some users reported that the app can be a bit glitchy during heavy use, which was a letdown for me. But here's the thing, once you set your preferences and get familiar with it, the experience becomes much smoother. This is perfect for you if you love hosting movie nights or parties where ambience matters. Skip this one if you want a more straightforward, no-frills option. For less than $10, it packs a punch without breaking the bank. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want advanced features. Product number 3: Govee TV Backlight 3 Light. Now let's talk about the Govee TV Backlight 3 Light, which comes in at a higher price of $74.99 but offers some premium features. What struck me was the fisheye correction tech, which really enhances the viewing experience. If you want to take your TV lighting to the next level, this is worth a serious look. With its advanced Govee and visual technology, this backlight adapts to the color on your TV screen in real time, creating a stunning and immersive experience. The app allows you to control it easily, and you can link it with other Govee devices for a synchronized lighting effect throughout your room. It also caters to any content, so whether you're gaming or streaming, you get the same vibrant colors. However, a few users mention the setup can be a bit complicated due to its camera installation. Honestly, I found it a little tricky too, but once you have it set up, the results are genuinely rewarding and the hassle might be worth it for you. This is perfect for tech enthusiasts who want a full-featured lighting setup. Skip this one if you're after something straightforward and easy to install. For its capabilities, it's a great investment. Now, if the complexity of the previous product seems overwhelming, the next one offers a simpler yet effective solution. Product number 4: Govee TV LED Backlight. Next is another Govee option, this time the Govee TV LED Backlight priced at $35.99. I was impressed by its RGBIC technology that allows for dynamic colors across different segments. If you want vibrant and customizable lighting for your viewing experience, this is worth a serious look. The built-in mic makes it sync with music, so your lights will dance with the beat, which is fantastic for parties or just chilling at home. Plus, it can cover up to 80 inches of TV, so it's versatile for larger setups. However, some users noted that it doesn't automatically capture colors from your screen, which was a bit disappointing. But here's the thing, the extensive scene options and the stunning colors more than make up for this limitation, especially if you enjoy customizing your experience. This is perfect for anyone who wants a vibrant and customizable atmosphere. Skip this one if you need automatic color matching. For the features it offers, it's still a solid choice. Now, if you're looking for something more compact, the next product is designed just for smaller TVs. Product number 5, Govee TV LED Backlight Strip. Finally, we have the Govee TV LED Backlight Strip for $17.99. I appreciated how affordable it is while still packing a punch with its RGBIC effects. If you have a smaller TV and want to enhance your viewing experience without spending a fortune, this is worth a serious look. This backlight allows you to customize each segment, creating a multicolored effect that enhances your TV's visuals. The smart app and voice control features make it simple to manage, and the music sync option adds another layer of fun to your viewing experience. It's great for anyone who enjoys a cozy movie night or hosting friends. However, some users found the adhesive less effective for thicker TVs, which was a bit frustrating. But in most cases, it sticks well, and using the provided clips makes a significant difference to secure it better. This is perfect for you if you have a smaller TV and want a budget-friendly way to improve your setup. Skip this one if you have a larger TV or need something super durable. For its price, it's a fantastic option. In conclusion, we've looked at 5 great budget TV LED backlights today, each with their unique features and price points. From the affordable KSIPZE to the more advanced Govee 3 Lite, there's something for everyone depending on your needs and budget. To wrap it up, we've covered the KSIPZE and KANTUTOE for budget options, the tech-savvy Govee 3 Lite, the versatile Govee LED, and finally the compact Govee LED backlight strip. Each has its strengths, so choose based on your specific needs. Happy viewing!